Learn how to make smart decisions by following these great affiliate marketing tips. You cannot go anywhere without somebody giving you their advice about affiliate marketing. You do not know if they are telling you good information or just what they might have picked up on from unknown sources. If you want the real information and want to be your own expert on the subject, this video is for you. If you have a lot of followers on online social networking and microblogging services, then post about your affiliate product and include a link. Only do this if you think the product will be useful to your followers, as too many self-serving posts could cause you to lose your followers. Remember, every follower you have on a social networking site is a potential customer. By setting up a profile for your company on various social media platforms, you can help bring more traffic to your site. Many people trust social media and use it for recommendations and information, so having an active profile that regularly offers new content can help boost your site's rank and draw in more potential customers. A great tip for success with affiliate marketing is to have web pages that are unique. Use these to promote the different products that you are marketing. You should aim to have a unique site for each individual product. You should always be sure to include reviews, testimonials, videos on these sites. Affiliate marketing has allowed many people to earn a living from their home, and it can work for you as well. It is one of the easiest ways to earn a living from home because you do not have to do much more than attract business to a company that is selling something. In conclusion, it can be trying to listen to so-called experts give you their opinion on affiliate marketing. The tips and tricks in this video have been widely proven time and time again. Hopefully, this video will help to either clear up what you were unsure about, or give you some new information. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.